Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Saiful Islam, course coordinator of BBA, Hajigunj Ideal College of Education. Today, it is my fourth class on financial statement. Now, I will discuss some element and some issue of financial statement, and I also discuss how to prepare a financial statement from the question. At first, I write FS. That means financial statement. Financial statement. Financial statement. Problem 9. Dear student, today I will solve the problem 9 and it came BBA 2012 National University. The question is, now I will read the question. The trial balance of Navana Limited for the year ending December 31, 2011 is shown as below. Trial balance of Nava Limited December 31, 2011. Account titles: debit, credit, cash 30,000, account receivable, merchandise inventory, prepaid insurance, equipment, land, accumulated depreciation on equipment, accounts payable, sales revenue, sales return and allowance, capital, sales discount, purchase, freight in, purchase return, purchase discount, salaries expense, interest, utilities. These are the items of trial balance, debit and credit. And there are some adjusting entries. Now I am reading at first. Merchandise inventory on hand December 31, 2011 is taka 80,000. Number 2, prepaid salaries taka 4,000. Number 3, insurance expense taka 2,000 during the year. Number 4, provide depreciation 10% on equipment. Requirements: prepare a multiple step income statement for the year ended on December 2011. Number 2, prepare a classified balance sheet as at 31 December 2011. In the question, at first I will do income statement. IS, income statement. Taka particulars. At first, sales. At first, sales 4,82,000 minus sales return. Sales return in the question 9,200. 4,72,800 minus sales discount given in the question 7,800. Now net sale is 4,65,000. Net sales 4,65,000. Net sales. Minus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold formula is at first opening inventory. Opening inventory given in the question 60,000. 60,000. Add need purchase. We will calculate need purchase in the another side. Purchase given in the question 3,44,000 minus purchase return 2,400 minus purchase discount 4,000 3,37,600 add fight in 10,000 need purchase হবে 3,47,600. So here need purchase will be 3,47,600. 3,47,600. Now we will add it 4,07,600 minus ending inventory given in the question 80,000. Then the result is 3,27,600 and that is the result of cost of goods sold. We know net sales minus cost of goods sold, then we will get gross profit. Then gross profit will be 1,37,400. At first sales 4,82,000 minus sales return minus sales discount given in the question, and we will get net sales, and net sales we will minus cost of goods sold from net sales. At first we will calculate cost of goods sold. At cost of goods sold, at first opening inventory plus net purchase. Here I calculate net purchase for the following way. Net purchase is 3,47,600 and minus ending inventory. Then I will got cost of goods sold, and I know that net sales minus cost of goods sold equal to gross profit. In the question and in the solution I get gross profit is 1,37,400. It is gross profit. And now I will calculate net profit. টাকা particular gross profit 1,04,00,000 minus OPE minus operating expense in the question salaries expense 41,400 and in the adjusting entities there are preferred salaries will be minus preferred salaries is 4,000, then the result will be 37,400. Preferred salaries insurance expense in the question insurance expense is 2,000. Depreciation on equipment is in the question that for in the questions adjusting entity number 4 depreciation 10% on equipment and in the trial balance there are depreciation there are equipment is balance is 17,000, so 10% depreciation will be 7,000. Depreciation on equipment 7,000. Utilities expense $1,200 and interest expense and interest expense and interest expense 14,000 and total operating expense is 72,600 and now we will deduct from it, then the final result will be 64,800 and it is net income. সুতরাং net income we find gross profit 1,37,400 and minus operating expense at first in the given the question salary expense and in the adjusting prepaid salaries it will be minus and insurance expense in the given the question depreciation on equipment it is in the adjustment utilities expense and interest expense. Total operating expense is 72,600. Now we will deduct 72,600 from gross profit, then the result will be net income and in the and in the question we will get that net income is 64,800. Now owner's equity statement. Owner's equity statement. Owner's equity statement. Taka particular taka. At first, capital given in the question 1,06,000 plus net income we got 64,800. Then owner's equity is 1,65,400 and this is the result of owner's equity statement. Dear student, at first when we will calculate owner's equity statement, at first we will write capital, add net income and minus net loss if net loss answer, and if any other account such as drawing it will be minus, such as additional capital it will be added, interest on capital it will be added in the owner's equity statement. So in this math we will get owner's equity statement is 1,65,400. And last step is balance sheet. BS, balance sheet. Taka capital and liabilities assessed. It is traditional system of balance sheet, and dear student, when you will prepare balance sheet, you can balance sheet in the two way. Traditional way, that is British method, and another is American method. This is traditional way or British method. Capital and liabilities left side and assets is right side. All assets will be here. Assets are 2-3 types on current assets, fixed assets, taxable assets, non-taxable assets it is. And capital and liabilities, and at first capital and liabilities means two types, current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Dear student, this math balance sheet is homework for you. You will prepare balance sheet in your home, and if you find any problem, then you will call me and I will try to solve it. Best of luck.